Hello everybody, it's me, Supreme Beast, and today we are going to be playing Phantom Forces once again, but this time I want to do a little challenge, okay? I need to get 10 kills, okay? 10 kills with my pistol, then I can go on to you see this gun right over here? Kind of like that, but it's an assault rifle, and then I can use that. So it's gonna be pretty hard to kill with the pistol, cause there are lots of people gonna use like AKs and stuff. Yeah, Colt SMG is gonna probably just keep killing me. But yeah, let's do this. I haven't played this in a while, not gonna lie. Phantom Forces. It has 1 billion views. Visits. It's kind of crazy. Okay. Pistol, here it goes. Dang it, I hate this. Yeah, no, I can't. Yeah, I just bruh. The aim is so bad on this. He's gonna crush me, of course. The snipers are gonna crush me. But if I cannot handle the pistol, I'm just gonna end the challenge. Aw, dang it, I could have killed him. He was 38. I did not know that. Dang it. People are probably like, dude, why are you using a pistol? Don't you have a better gun? Bruh. Oh no, I need to oh god, I should have reloaded. Dang it. No, don't kill my guy. I was gonna kill him. Dang. Where are they? Yeah, I think they're down here. Yeah, I saw some shooting. Where? Oof. He's shooting up there. Oh god. Is this guy gonna die? Oh, forgot. Why am I using that? Dang it. Where are they? I'm gonna die. I'm actually gonna die. I don't know if I can keep up with this challenge. Right off the bat, I just keep dying. Oof. Let's go up here. I might get a better angle from where they are. You got to be kidding me. There's some people up there. So let's just see what they're doing. Aw, that could have been a kill for me. Need cover. Dang, I was just gonna get him, but I couldn't. Come on, kill him. Dang it. Dude, if I die like 3 more times, I have to end the challenge. It's making me frustrated. I know we just got right onto it, but bruh, it's actually really hard. I don't know why I would think of this. Where? Oh no. I should have just known where those shots were coming from earlier. Okay, let's go up this ladder. Yeah, okay, one more kill. If I die one more time, you guys, I have to end it. I have to end the challenge, but I'm still gonna vlog. record about this. Like, I'm gonna still use the salt. So, you know what? I won't end it. I'll actually just try. I'll try to do this. Even though it's really hard. I'll try. Oh God, you'd be kidding me. It shoots so slow. I have to change the pistol, I'm not gonna lie. Machine pistols. I wish I had a machine pistol. Dang, or a Desert Eagle? I need to buy it? Guys, we have to save up for this. I'm not joking. Dang. Desert Eagle. I should have not bought crates. I'm so dumb. That's for that much? Dang. Okay. Where should we go? I think we should go... This map, yeah, it's the most one. Kill confirmed. I don't like kill confirmed. It's so annoying. I'm actually trying this match with the pistol, so yikes. Let's deploy on someone, whoever's gonna deploy. Yeah, let's deploy on this guy. Bow, boom. Oh, I have an idea. So I needed one. I think we should just switch it up a notch because my idea is like getting 10 kills and then to the assault. We should just what is it called? Get a kill with the pistol first and then go to the assault and then just keep rotating. So I don't know. Oh God, pistol is gonna be frustrating. Let's spawn on this guy. I almost got him! No! Dang, my AK would have done that. My assault rifle. Oh, shoot, I forgot. I wasn't using the pistol. Oh my God. No. Dang, these snipers and these assaults or honey badger, they're gonna get me good. I was gonna get that person. Why are you stealing my kill? This is like my best pistol I have right now, so I don't know why I was using a weaker one. Someone just shot me. I'm really low. I hate Scarhammer. They kill so easily. 2 shots, bam. You're dead. That's kind of just how the Scarhammer works, I guess. Hello. Okay, we need to get in here. This is a great opportunity. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Hey, okay, let's go. No, I cannot die now. This is serious. I legit just saw someone here. They went like behind. I. Oh, now I have to switch to the pistol. You gotta be kidding me. Dang it. Okay, where they at? Oh God, no. No, I knew it. I knew it. He had a shotgun. I think that was a shotgun. I don't know. That was shotgun. I already know I was dead. I'm scared of the snipies. Yeah, I'm gonna die. I never saw him up there. Oh no. Okay, now I'm gonna use my assault. I feel like I have to. I can't just keep dying. Let's put it on burst. Was my gun not really working? Or did I just have to reload? I'm not sure. Okay, let's use the pistol. Oh no! Okay, I'm gonna use the assault now. I cannot let them get that token. Oh no! Oh no! Bro, I'm gonna get clapped in this server. I'm already getting clapped because I keep using the pistol. Oh god. Thought that was bad. Like an enemy. Easy, easy. Where are they? Blop, bop, bop, bop. Boom. Oh god. I should have not. Oh no. I should have not. Dang it. That person even killed me with the. You gotta be kidding me. They killed me with the pistol. Is it really hard to kill with the pistol? Like, so hard for me. Oh my god, I'm getting hit. I'm getting hit. I'm getting hit. From where though? Oh, I was gonna die anyway. Okay. To blunt this person. I'm gonna just actually not do any challenge. Really hard, whatever. And whenever I'm saying a challenge, I just can't do it because I'm not on a pro level yet. Oh, see that? I don't even know how to use a sniper. Kinda, yeah. It's a big oof, I know. Killed. Oh, I thought I got him. They're over there, so we have to get them there, so okay. Oh, really? Okay. Casual, bop, 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 bop. Did I kill them? Oh, I didn't assist with this. Okay, maybe this isn't too bad. I'm gonna die. I'm at 4 HP. Let's do a little bop. Get back up. Oh, let me just close that. Whatever that is. Oh, just popped up on my screen. I don't know if it popped up in the video, but. Where's that guy? No, he's so cheeky. So cheeky. Oh god, I thought that was bad guy. No, what am I doing? Oof, I suck. Bro, I'm just pressing random buttons and then all of these stuff pop up. I mean, not 2 kills though, still okay. Come on, you gotta be kidding me. Okay. Bro, I feel like I just quit the challenge. Not gonna lie, I kinda did. Oof. Look at these edits. Yeah, I took fall damage there. Can't die. Can't die. Who kills? You sure? I knew it. I just knew it. Okay, let's go to this person. Oh, dang, they just died. Oh, God. Eat this. Watch out there. Okay, I'm gonna go in this building. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Fair play, fair play. I guess I have to go up here now. Oh, never mind. No, I'm not going up. My teammate just died. I'm not going. Ooh, that person's lucky. I mean, I'm lucky, not that person. That just killed my teammate. I hate these shotguns. I'm serious. I need to upgrade my gun. What? No. Okay, wait. Does it have a skin? No, it does not. Attachments. This is what I need. I think I'll have friend. I like this. I'm gonna keep this. Vertical grip. Oh, sure. I guess I could get that. And of course, I'm gonna equip the laser. I have 99 kills with this gun. Not too shabby. It's about to be 100. Yeah, this is way better. I'm not messing around with this guy. It's too good. There we go. 100 kills with this gun. It's final. I think we're winning. Yes, let's go. We're winning. That kinda lit. I told you I'm not gonna mess with this guy. I'm serious. I just do not know it's him. Oh my god, no! He's getting 5 HP. We gotta go kill him. Yeah, I knew he's gonna die. Weird thing keeps popping. Okay. Oh no, Mamacita. Okay, what do I keep tapping to make that open? There's so many things on my screen. I don't know if you guys can see it, but fine. If you guys can see it, then I guess it's okay. Saw a head there. That makes sense why we're shooting there. No way. Oh, we. 1858. Respect. Pyramid. Right there. There's a guy. Oh god. My whole team just died from that guy. Oh my god, my character. My kill. Right when I was gonna get that, you gotta be kidding me. Oh god. By the way, I wish I could show you guys, but I have a cat named Simba. He's so cute. Yeah. He looks exactly like the Lion King and Simba, so. Oh god, I'm gonna die. I'm actually gonna die. As if those people want in, those people can get that. Can I? Oh, I don't have any more. We got defeated. Okay, I think I'm gonna end the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you like, subscribe as always. Peace.